So this is the third 3D printer which we assembled with the help of the robotics club. It took 2 weeks to do it for the robotics club, but we finally managed to do it. And it is printing now a test run of a cat, as you can see here. Cat, right here. And this is just the beginning of the print. Here. Okay. Guys, you want to say anything about Kai?
This took a very long time to do.
Did you like doing it?
Yeah, I like doing it.
Right. How about you?
This took about 20 billion years, and this looks fun, and I want to print my open ones.
Great. So that's all. Thank you. By the way, we do use a lot of tape. This tape right here.